Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to talk about the specifications and details regarding the Oppo tablet. Yes friends, recently we got some kind of leaks and rumors about the Oppo tablet. So that's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. What are the specifications and what are the things you should know about this Oppo tablet. So first let me show you the image which has been circulating in the Twitter regarding the Oppo tablet. So one of the user, he did post in the Twitter saying that someone has saw an Oppo tablet in the factory. That is what the Twitter user did mention. So in this way we did came to know that the Oppo has been manufacturing the tablet as well, and we got some of the specifications regarding the tablet, what type of processor it is using and what can be the battery capacity and what is the display size. So these are the things which I'll try to discuss in this video as well regarding the battery capacity and everything. So first, the tablet comes with a Snapdragon 870 chipset. Yes, Snapdragon 870, and which has got the 6GB RAM variant based on the specifications which got listed, for 256GB storage as well, and 11-inch of screen size with a 120Hz of refresh rate. Yet 120Hz, and the battery capacity is of close to 8000 mAh of battery capacity. That is what the rumors are expected. So let's see what these rumors can be there, friends, whether we can actually expect similar kind of specifications or not. But overall, 8000 mAh of battery and Snapdragon 870 is kind of really interesting thing in this Oppo tablet. And the price conversion can be Indian. If you try to convert it into Indian rupees, it kind of close to, as I said, 23,000 rupees. So if you maybe after import and export tax, the price can come anywhere close to maybe 30,000. So if the Oppo decides to launch in India, are you willing to buy this tablet at 30,000 rupees or not? But let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are your thoughts. So these are a few details which we got about the Oppo tablet at this moment. So hopefully they should launch, friends, more and more tablets to bring the competition in the tablet segment as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and let's stay tuned. Bye.